Fucking streets, man. There's so much shit that come with them. Don't know if the love put me there, but it put me on, so let's be clear. Couple months run kinda set me right for a couple years. Where the risk and reward, I had you juggle fears. Seen so many lose, my niggas don't even come to tears. Whether it's blood or my blood or closer, we took it in that, rewarded them slugs for closure.
Love put me in the streets.
It's crazy out here. Niggas listen, but they don't understand the culture. A safe distance kept the meat from a band of vultures. When his hands shook and money exchanged, they noticed my niggas aim and focus. Some niggas claims it's bogus. I seen the interstate just to put some chicken on the dinner plate to eat. Then made it home safe to attend to wait.
Love put me in the streets.
Simple math, we subtract a little to add, then subtract to add more. Got some money from my right hand so he could add on. Plus, knowing with no real estate, we wouldn't last long. We took comfort in knowing some rivals passed on. See, I've been down to my last straw. My last deal was requiring my passport. We movers.
Love put me in the streets.
Shit a little different. Money was the root, but the evil embedded in us. After full stomachs, we just did it to get the image. Picture that. Drug money upgraded where we was living at. From the hood to living like the aristocrats. Aristocratic, semi-habits. Took some players off the board, left them to the maggots. It's dirty.
Love put me in the streets.
It's dirty out here. Bitches loved us, so they loved what we did on them boulevards and back streets. You know them Lisas and Ashleys, a mouthful of dick. Never let them to a handful of tax-free. If it ain't us, then who is it if you ask me? When money on the cusp and life wagered and weighed up, pussy a distraction a lot of niggas is made of.
Love put me in the streets.
Imagine hearing your mama came up to the block to purchase. We was dirty, crooked cops used to stop and search us. Now it's bitches playing they spots for pumps and purchase. Gave a church lady a knot to drop in the churches. It was balanced even though the scales tilted in our favor most. People would rather drug money to the Holy Ghost.
Love put me in the streets.
Even the streets know you gotta play your role. If we lucky, we reflect after. Left capture for the next chapter. And next chapter where growth accentuated our past. Participation is set in stone. The meaning of last nigga to make it. We built from what was broke and made more. The streets gave an opportunity to seek riches or stay poor.
Love put me in the streets.
Just like that.